What's up, guys? Henry up with the fourth here, back with another video, and today I'm here with more news, more updates on Kiddion's mod menu. I got some comments talking about how the file was deleted and things were delayed, stuff like that. So I'm gonna address that really quickly in this video. Quick plug though, quick plug. Check out kingwin.net, link in the description below if you want to get some cheap game keys, Windows programs, or Microsoft Office. There's really good prices over there. And by the way, if you use the website in the description below, if you use that link and buy something on the website, it helps out the channel. All right, so let's get into it. So on Kiddion's website, he actually has reattempted yesterday. He re-uploaded the menu version 0.8.8. Shout out the comment that I got. I got a comment yesterday, I think. So two people actually told me that .7z is the extension. I didn't even realize that it was .7z. I wasn't paying attention, but that is the extension. It's like a zip file. So the actual version is 0.8.8. So I might have to change the thumbnail, but basically the whole timeline, you can check out my last video where I spoke on it being uploaded for the first time and how it's ready to be released. I feel like that's still the case. I feel like it's still ready to be released. It's just we're waiting on the website to approve it. Now he has uploaded it. It got taken down and then he re-uploaded it for a second time, or this would be the third time now. So I don't know why that is. I have no information, no inside information on that as far as why that is. But it has been uploaded for the third time, and that kind of delays it even more. It's already August 27th. August 25th marked the 2-week mark from August 11th when the update was out, and he announced before that actually that it would take 2 weeks, but even then 2 weeks from the 11th would be the 25th. So it's already 2 days after. But you know, it's been website approval times, the files getting deleted and taken back, delays. So it's things that's, if I feel like, is out of Kiddion's control. The only thing that he ever did from what I saw is he uploaded it the first time and then he said, yo, I found a bug, and he uploaded it the second time. So, but that was like a day later, so it wasn't really that. This was all before the 25th. Now, like I said before, this delays everything, man. And it had already taken 2 days. The last file that was up there for like 2 days and it still wasn't approved. It had 2 downloads. This one has 1, but that one had 2. So I don't know who's downloading it. Obviously, I have no inside information, but that was already 2 days up. So this one could take at least 2 days. My two expectations are, if I had any predictions, it could go 2 ways. Number one, it could go like just the normal route. I feel like this is the more likely one. It could just go the normal route. So if that took 2 days, this is going to take at least 2 days. So we're talking the 29th, which is Saturday. I'm thinking either Sunday or Monday. Really, I'm thinking Monday. I feel like Monday might be the most accurate time. I know that's a while away, but I feel like it's nearly 3 weeks too. But I feel like that's probably the time that we're looking at. If everything stays the same, if it gets delayed again, then it could be even longer. But I'm looking at Monday. I feel like it's the best estimation, or it could go another way. I feel like this is less likely, but it could happen. They could put the file in like a quote unquote priority queue. So basically, since this file has been trying to be uploaded for a while, they could put it up in first, as far as in the front of the queue, and then try to get this one approved before all the other ones. Like I said, this is all speculation. I don't have any inside information. I don't even really have that much history. I've been on this website since 2017, but I've only been recently actually downloading and checking up and using the uploads and going to people's profile and stuff. So I don't have any inside information on that. But my thing that I just want to cap this video off with saying is like just a general advice or something that you should do. I feel like I won't say it's bad. It's just like, I don't know if counterintuitive is a word, but I just feel like you shouldn't wait for this menu to enjoy the game. You know what I'm saying? I could see if this game, like GTA 5, was just broken and it wasn't working, the graphics were glitching and stuff like that, and you just needed a patch, an outside patch for the game to work because the developers themselves aren't fixing the game. I could see if that was the case. Like, for example, like Bully. Bully Scholarship Edition is a game that's on Steam. It's also by Rockstar, but it's not really being updated like that anymore because it's kind of old. But that game has some glitches because the game was made years and years ago, and if you're using like a high resolution screen and stuff like that, you could have some aspect ratio bugs, stuff like that. And there's this thing called the Bullworth patch, which is one made by some developers, some freelance developers. It's not made by Rockstar, and I could see if that was the case. Like if the game was just broken and you needed a patch and you're waiting on it, then that could explain waiting on the game. But honestly, GTA 5 has so many ways to make money. If you're strapped for cash, GTA 5 has so many ways to make money. Fun ways too, not even just grinding. Like, you can do adversary modes. There's trapdoor right now that's 3x RP and money, so you can make some money there. You can team up with your friends and play some heists, or you could do, you know, different missions with the different businesses, the weed business, coke business. There's new yacht missions. Like, there's lots of things to do, man. You could even play sports. You could play golf, tennis, and just enjoy yourself on the game. And I feel like this is a great time to actually sit back and think, okay, let me play the game for what it is. Or should I play the game for what it is? Yeah, let's go ahead and hop on. Like, this is the perfect time to do that, just because you don't have a mod menu to distract you. I feel like it's bad to just depend on a mod menu for your enjoyment of a video game. You know what I mean? Like, you should always enjoy the game. Now, I did set out a poll. I just wanted to poke you guys' brain. Poke my community's brain. I put out a poll and I asked, if you use a mod menu on GTA 5, what do you primarily use it for? And I got about 133 votes. I might have a couple more now that I refresh it. Okay, no. I got 133 votes. So thank you guys for, you know, engaging in the poll. It helps me out. But it makes me feel good as well. But I had 5 choices up. I had money and RP, God mode, trolling, protection, and teleporting. And a majority put money and RP, a good majority actually, 66%. So out of 5 choices, a third of the choice were or a third of the votes were money and RP. That's a lot, man. So that just shows you guys are looking for money. And my thing about money has always been, me personally, even though I have like hundreds of millions of dollars, I have like $1.5 billion on GTA, mostly from, all of that on that account is from the mod menu. But just because I have that, I even got a comment in my live stream. Someone said, it's crazy how you have like $1 billion and you still play heists, or you still play adversary modes. It's like, yeah, because the game's fun, man. Like, I don't even look at that number as a thing. Like, for me, because I even made this quote in a couple streams ago, and I still stand by this. When you have a lot of money, it makes the game incredibly boring. It makes the game incredibly boring. So me, as someone who actually enjoys the game and tries to, you know, get as much as I can out of it, I use that money not as like really money. I just use it as like a safety net or like a security. So I just see it as, okay, I have enough money to be able to buy whatever I want at any time. You know what I mean? So if I want to get a car, boom, I can buy that car if it comes out. If I want to get, you know, this clothing item, boom, I can get this clothing item. These new shoes, I can get these new shoes. Like, I use it just as security. It's just like, okay, I can get whatever I want at any time, but I can still enjoy the game for what it is. And I still try to, you know what I'm saying? I do adversary modes with you guys. I do heists with you guys. I just generally try to enjoy the game to the best of my ability. And I feel like you guys should do that too. That's just my tip for you guys. Advice, just try to enjoy the game for what it is, especially during these times where we don't have a mod menu. I know a lot of people still might have paid ones, but if you're waiting on Kiddions, just hop on the game and enjoy yourself, you know what I'm saying, before. And then maybe when you get the mod menu back, you'll realize, you know, maybe you might play the game a bit different, you know, since you played the game before without it. But I just want to, you know, tell you guys that, update you guys with some news and give you guys my take on it. As far as streams, I do plan on streaming today. I'm going to play some more adversary modes with you guys because that was really fun. A couple of days ago, I played some adversary modes. If you haven't checked out that stream, you can check it out on the left side of your screen right now. And as always, you can check out the GTA 5 playlist if you want to check out any of my reviews on Over, 2 Take 1, Fragment, stuff like that on the right side of your screen. I hope you guys have a wonderful day or evening whenever you're watching this video. And I'll catch you guys later. Peace.